Hi Curtis, I'm looking at your slideshow. I'm wondering if you've already tried to add more pictures and they didn't show up or something like that. So I'm going to give you a tip here, which is something we've updated probably since you purchased the template, is open up your photo slideshow, flip it over to the code view for a bit. Go and look for this LM Bootstrap style sheet, that link right there. Get rid of it. You don't need it. It's causing some problems with adding photos and certain things. But other than that, you have the 10 images in here, right? I'm going to try and expand this out so it actually... There we go. Okay, so here's what you can do here. If you want to add more than the images, just select, okay. What I'm going to do here, just for the sake of the video, is I'm just going to shorten the links here so they're not so long in terms of names. So bear with me for 2 seconds. Okay, just for the sake of making this something viewable here. Okay, so you want to add more pictures? Okay, good. Here's what you need to do, is copy the second to last link right here. Not this one here, but this one here. Just copy this line right here, and then put your cursor right before this fella right here, this last one, put it right before, and then paste as many times. So you need 20 more pictures, paste it 20 more times. Okay, here's the key. You can copy any line in here, as long as the very last one here does not have a comma, but every other one here must have a comma after the line right there. That's the way JavaScript works. This guy right here, no comma whatsoever. That does not need a comma, and it does not work well with a comma. These guys here, so if you were to actually copy this run here and just keep pasting down below, it would just go to this image here, and then it would just break. It would break after that because it sees that everything else is left open. So copy whatever you do. You can copy any existing pic and then just change the image name and the link to the image right here, just like you would any other image file. Right? Just make sure the last one does not have a comma. As for the Font Awesome thing, I wasn't sure what your troubles were, so I'm thinking maybe you're just not sure how to change them. Maybe that's it, or you're changing them and they're not showing up. Well, here's what you need to do. Let's just take a look here at the template DWT. Okay, and you probably need to go to and update Font Awesome. Okay, now here's the link to Font Awesome in your template DWT. Now here's what I'm going to suggest you do. Fire up a web browser, like so. Go to Font Awesome, like so. Do a Google search. There it is, right there, and go to the Getting Started right here. Scroll on down, and I want you to look for this link right here. See, paste the following code into the head of your page. Font Awesome has been updated since this template's been released. Now you can load it in directly. Okay, so just copy this link right here from the Get Started on the site, on the Font Awesome website, and just paste it right in place of this one here in your template DWT. And then right here where it says, see the 2 slashes, then the match CDN, right in front of the slashes, type in HTTP and then a semicolon. You have to do that manually. Okay. Save the page, and then when you go back to Font Awesome, that's your account there. That's not what we want. And you go and you look for icons, you'll be up to date and you can see whatever icons you want in here, because a lot of times there'll be new icons and you can't use them if you have an older version of Font Awesome. That's how to update it.